How do you know if you will actually need to pay any taxes as your LLC in the United States or not? So the main rule to keep in mind is if you have any real physical presence in the United States. What this means is that as long as you don't really have any real employees, physical offices, any sales agents physically located in the United States, everything you do is remote online. You perform your work while living in Europe, Latin America. All of your employees are located outside of the United States, and all you really have is a US company, US bank account, and potentially a US virtual office. Then your income won't really be taxable in the United States. You can have US clients, you can receive payments from the United States, it's not going to be taxable. If by any chance you do have some operations in the United States, that will be considered US sourced income engaged in US trader business. Then you will have to pay some taxes in the United States, or potentially if you live in a country that has a tax treaty with the United States, you might be able to avoid double taxation, but you will have a US tax liability. These rules obviously can be pretty complicated. It's important to have a US tax specialist, an expert in these rules, to avoid any potential mistakes, penalties, and unwanted taxes in the United States. We are experts in this field. We know exactly what you need to do. So let's work together and we're going to make sure that your business is as tax efficient as possible.